Kum ka jing beteng ban yakun thma persa yaw drug na kalyang ki pulit ka East Castle Hills District ha kamit jonga khandai tarik ulber araja arpulai kilo yok ban kurup shibun ba u drugs haringkat bat ka pisa lambat ki mobile bat kemru ya saungut. Habia kran bikilat pathai kubor u Dr. Lajar Ram Bishnoi IPS Director General of Police ulay thu bagi pulit ha ka jing beteng ban khandra po lower maupram Lumsohphoh ki pulit kila yok ban kurup hado arspa andrupu pra pon nyoi gram u drugs. Nriu lak ka pisa bat la kemru ya arngot kilong kemi bat arngot ki shinrang.
Out of 4, 2 ladies were lactating. They are lactating mothers, I think.
One is nursing mother, sir.
One is lactating mother and another is normal. This is evident from these photographs about the involvement of the ladies here. So ladies basically, they are very active as far as the supply of drugs are concerned. Sometimes they store at their own houses, sometimes they supply at the different points. So this is the photograph of last night raid, and you can see the cash. There it is visible. The cash, nearly 7 lakh rupees cash, and the 7 number of mobile phones, and the heroines packed in the soap cases. So these kinds of the involvements are there.
ATF team of Shillong. Yesterday, 2 operations were conducted. In one of the earlier operations, the seizure was 68 grams. That was in the afternoon. And in further continuation of the operation, the last night it was the operation concluded in the late night. The team raided in the area of Lower Moprem, Lumsohphoh, Shillong, and the seizure is as follows: 20 soap box cases, 20 vials containing heroin of total weight of 268.71 grams, and 7 number of mobile phones were seized. A cash of 6,87,150 has been seized. 25 empty vials, 60 syringes from the possession of 2 male and 2 female, out of which, as DG sir mentioned, one of the lady is a nursing mother. So all the 4 people have been arrested and the case is under further investigation. The 2 persons, total accused are 1 person arrested, and from his possession 5 soap boxes of heroin weighing 66.46 grams were seized, 2 mobile phones seized. Also, one Hyundai Eon car also has been seized in this connection. This was caught near the back gate of KHADC office, Moprem area. Again, it is also Lower Moprem, Shillong.
When was it?
This was yesterday afternoon.
Yesterday afternoon?
The second operation was from evening to the late night it was conducted. Both are from Lower Moprem area.
Secondly, I would like to point out that in recent seizure, a lot of syringes are recovered. This indicates that injectable heroin users are increasing in Shillong, and that is very dangerous because it may cause AIDS also. So, in every raid, invariably 40 to 50 to 60 syringes are also recovered. So, this is real cause of concern for all of us.